Now let's continue our talk about Mythbusters. Open new books at page 13, exercise 4. You are to fill in the verbs. Tom struggles in chemistry. We should get him a tutor. We can learn a lot about science by observing the natural world. How did Einstein come up with the theory of relativity? We are going to vote for a new class president today. Sally's asthma medicine helps her breathe better. Now let's speak about word formation, negative verbs. You are to know that prefix re means again. Nurasai must retake his physics test. Miss means wrong. I don't want you to misunderstand, so let me explain better. An means not. I'm sorry, but David is unable to answer the phone right now. This means the opposite. Why do you dislike math so much? Now you are to read the sentence and complete them with the verbs with the correct prefix and in the correct form. For example, in the first sentence, I'm sorry I misheard you. Can you say that again? You are to pay attention at the tense. It's past simple. Finish this exercise in your copybooks. In exercise 6, you are to answer the question, which of the myths did you find the most convincing? Listen to the opinion.
I think the most convincing myth is the one about an apple falling on Newton's head, because it is believable. It could have happened, and it may have been Newton himself who started the myth.
And now narrate the story of Newton's discovery of gravity in your own words. Listen for the model.
One day, Newton was sitting under an apple tree in his garden. He was thinking about the forces of nature when an apple fell from the tree and hit him on the head. This made him think about why the apple fell down, and he came up with the theory of gravity.
Exercise 7. You are to collect information about another myth and write a paragraph in your copybook. Please listen for the example.
There are a number of myths surrounding Galileo, but the most famous one is about how he proved the theory that gravitational acceleration is equal for heavy and light objects. According to the myth, he went to the top of the Leaning Tower of Pisa with 2 cannonballs of different weights. He then dropped them to prove that heavy objects do not fall faster than light ones to his students below. However, this is not quite true. He was in Pisa, but he conducted a number of different experiments. He rolled balls down long wooden ramps and made pendulums of different weights. He dropped objects, but he didn't drop them off the Leaning Tower.